Well, we got a new Gloria video today, and it goes right back to the video that I made several months ago, if not probably a year ago, where I showed you how to take off the radio to basically replace the radio if you need to. But now, my idiot self, I just now get this last week I got kits for Nissans that I'm going to be doing jobs for the next couple weeks, and well, it seems Metra 7550 will actually work in a Nissan Gloria, and I have the pieces right here, and I have the radio already done. And to be fair, this whole thing was done to help one person, and now it's gonna help a lot more people. That, random kits that I got in just so I can do this specific old Nissan couple's Nissans, because I got like 3 Nissans from the 90s that they want done, and it's like 3 different harnesses that they needed. But surprisingly, this one might actually work. Now we're behind the radio. Like I said originally, my car came with this kit. My car was already had an aftermarket radio, and all I did was just attach my new radio to the harness that was already here. The thing was, I didn't want to try to get anything because it was already here for one, and 2, I didn't think that there was a version here in the States that actually worked. But I can do this right here. If I actually had an extra set of hands, this would be a little bit easier. But if I can sit you down here for just a minute. But if I unplug that from there, leave this here, come over here real quick. Where did I put it? Here is the new one, and it matches up perfectly except for the turn-on wire right here. The rear speakers are all in the same slot. They all match up very well. They have the same pin layout, and get this on here. So, with one hand, I am amazing. Come on. And it fits up, and I get power through here. And I get all my rear speakers through there, and as well as the back. I have this one right here. It's going to be more color-coded to the US, but everything still matches up. Yellow's on the bottom, blue's on the bottom, speakers on the sides. Everything matches up, which is actually pretty nice. I'm going to be updating this in the description of the other video once I get there. And I'll be uploading this so everybody knows how to do this. And, well, not really how to. I don't have the time today. It's Memorial Day. But I will show once again that for at least a Nissan Gloria 1995 to 1999 Gloria Gran Turismo without the factory navigation system. This is the basic stock radio system in this thing. This will work for the Gloria, the Cedric, and the Gloria, the Cedric, and I think the Cimas as well, and a few other Nissans, if they have this radio setup, which pretty much is right here. If they have this setup, this kit should work for it if you have the factory radio. So once again, I am very sorry it took this long to actually make this video and find this information out. I don't know what came over me. I don't know why I didn't do this or why I didn't even check to make sure that a standard Nissan kit would work here. I don't know. But the 70, 75, 50 will work in your 95 to 99 Nissan Glorias, Cedric, Gran Turismos if they have the stock factory radio configuration. If they have the navigation system, I definitely cannot confirm anything on that. I do not have one. I have not seen the back of one of those, so I can't say anything. That usually has everything connected to it. So again, I can't confirm on that one, but on the stock radio, it will be the 70, 75, 50. And if you do have an amplifier, the 70, 75, 51 will also potentially work. It's got the same harness, same head, same everything. It's just this one has hookups for an amplified system. So with that, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it lets you know which kit you need for your Nissan Gloria. So again, thank you and goodbye.